Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host, Crypto Chester, and today we're here to talk about one of the alphas, one of the big dogs in the space, fifth in the race, in the ranking on CMC. It's the fifth most valued cryptocurrency in the world at this time. It's Solana. Lovely intro there for Solana. Currently priced at around $143.20 a coin. And this asset has been playing with us, okay? It's been playing sideways over the last day, and you can see it's a sideways price right now, 0.19% to the upside. Not looking too great. The last 7 days, we did see a bit of progression from the 3rd to the 7th there, nice little uptrend. And then from there, in comparison to a lot of other altcoins, the pullback wasn't that substantial, okay? I was quite impressed, actually, Solana. You did well. You didn't really lose the momentum compared to a lot of other altcoins out there. Now, still priced at 143. Did see a high most recently of around 151. And the bullish sentiment in the market is still super strong. Okay, so I do think that this guy is undervalued. And we are going to see some more bullish momentum coming through very, very shortly. In terms of volume, it is 7th out of all the cryptos out there. And that's pretty good. Okay, it's pretty good in comparison to the ranking. If it was a massive distance apart, then it would be a problem. But it's quite similar, and the figures do match. So it doesn't indicate that much data that we're going to see insane bullish momentum here. But the sentiment for Solana is obviously bullish. Now let's get into the chart, guys. And if you are finding any value here, drop a little like. Let me know what you think of Solana. I'm intrigued. And let's go over into the Solana chart together, because there's some super interesting stuff happening here. And we're gonna go through my next trade here for Solana. Now, before we do that, guys, I want to talk to you quickly and give you a bit of alpha here. Give you a bit of alpha to a new project here. It's called Meme Bet Casino. It's basically like Stake.com. Obviously, hopefully you guys know Stake.com. It's the largest crypto betting platform in the world, primarily in the West, I do believe. And yeah, they're doing the same thing here, meme bet, with meme coins. Okay, so you're going to be able to bet your Doge on blackjack. You can bet your Pepe on blackjack. You can bet your Turbo on crabs. You can bet your Doge on roulette if you really want to. And yeah, so they've basically built a meme casino, which is super cool. And it's definitely got a lot of room for growth here, guys. With an asset, with a project and an asset like this, it's super bullish when you see sort of something come out like this, because it's got great utility, it's got great tokenomics, and this is something that is very likely to explode here. Okay, and they are going to be doing loot boxes as well, really cool meme loot boxes. As I said, great tokenomics, guys. Massive chance for you to scoop up big amounts of the supply here on the pre-sale, and yeah, I think this is definitely one that you don't want to miss. I'm not going to go into too much more detail about this, guys. If you want to have a look at it, go into the link in the description. But you know how degen the crypto space is at this point in time, especially with memes. They are going to absolutely lap this up, okay? Again, this isn't a pre-sale. You can get involved with this. They have currently raised $390,000, which indicates that it's not going to be open for too much longer, guys, okay? So this will be probably the last chance to get involved with this. And if you do want to get involved, you can. Links are in the description. This is super early, super alpha. Don't tell your friends. No, you can if you want. But yeah, this is super alpha. This has got huge potential for 10 to 50x, in my opinion. Full disclosure, I bought into this pre-sale. I've got my bags. I'm excited. I can't wait for this thing to go, right? Okay, anyway, enough about that. Let's get into the Solana technical analysis update here. So you can see here, we're starting off on the 3-day. Now, the 3-day is a very interesting chart to really be dissecting here. And the reasoning for that is, guys, it kind of gives you a bit of a broader picture compared to the daily, and not too heavily compared to the weekly, which is good. Okay, so I like to favor the 3-day or the 5-day for candles to be using here to get a nice picture of the TA. Now, you can see what I'm looking at is essentially an ascending triangle. Now, that ascending triangle ranges from here, excuse the bad drawings, like so, just like that, right? An ascending triangle. It's ascending to the upside. That usually means, guys, when we have an ascending triangle, a breakout to the upside. It means bullish momentum is due. That is due from this lovely, beautiful area just here, okay? So this is going to be the next long position that we're looking out for here for Solana. This will be a futures long, okay? And it will be very goddamn profitable. No, we'll have to see, but it is lining up quite nicely for around a 10% move there, just under 10%. So looking really, really good there. Let me know what you think of this move in the comment section. I'm intrigued to know your opinions here. And yeah, so I'm sort of waiting for a nice bit of bullish momentum here, riding that bad boy up. Obviously, we will see some resistance here. We have seen it multiple times. Very likely to get rejected here and then bounce, test it again, and then see that move to the upside. That's sort of what I'm looking for there for Solana. I do think that there is meat on the bone here, and there is going to be a lovely, lovely move. This move is super simple because if you look, we're actually still in this chart pattern here, guys. We're still in this chart pattern here, which is a bull flag. A bull flag tends to usually mean break to the upside. Don't really want to go into the massive, massive bull flag position here, but it's huge. It's absolutely huge. This is the measure move, guys. We're going to take that measure move to wherever the break point is, and that is basically going to be worth roughly 57%, potentially sending Solana all the way up to all-time highs at 277. Okay, so crazy, crazy stuff there. Let me know what you think of that in the comment section. But that is what's predicted right now. You can see how parabolic Solana's gone, and there's a lot more equity in the market this cycle, this time around, compared to back in 2021 for Solana. So it really, really opens the floodgates for the potential here for Solana to really soar to all-time highs and actually complete this massive, massive move to the upside here, okay? Roughly around 55%. Again, let me know what you think in the comment section, guys. That will be it from me. Thank you ever so much for watching. I do appreciate it. I will be back tomorrow for some more updates. If you're new to the channel, drop a little subscribe, turn the notification bell on, and you're never going to miss one of our uploads here over on Crypto News. Thank you ever so much for watching. Peace out for now, and I'll catch you in the next one.